Hello friends, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Very happy to see your interest in learning a new language, especially the Kannada language. It is scene 11. You will definitely love this video as this is about learning Kannada happy sentences and typical greetings in Kannada. Surprise your Kannada friends, colleagues by using these simple Kannada dialogues. In Kannada, typically the conversation starts like Namaskara. You can greet anybody saying Namaskara any point of the day. And if somebody asks you Namaskara, Kannada Barutta means they're asking you whether you know Kannada. Barutta means do you know? Kannada Barutta. Do you know how to speak Kannada? Then they will say Kannada Barutta. Barutta also means does it come, but in this context it means do you know Barutta. Barutta, does it come, and then opposite to that is Hogutta. You can also learn the word Hogutta. Does it go? Hogutta. Like if any bus is going towards Majestic and you want to ask and confirm that, you can say E bus Majestic Hogutta. Majestic Hogutta. Then Nillutta means does it stand. You can ask if the bus will stop here. You can say bus Nillutta. Illi bus Nillutta. So Barutta is does it come. Hogutta is does it go. Nillutta is does it stand. In this scenario, Kannada Barutta, in this case it is Barutta means do you know. Namaskara, Kannada Barutta. To this question, typically people answer Swalpa Swalpa Barutte, means I know a little bit of Kannada. Swalpa Swalpa Barutte. But since you have learnt a lot of Kannada from Kannada Magic Channel, you can say Namaskara, Nanage Kannada Barutte. Yes, I know, I do know Kannada. Nanu Channagi Matadtini. I can speak very well. Nanu Channagi Matadtini. So you want to say yes, I do know Kannada and I can speak very well. You can say Namaskara, Nanage Kannada Barutte. Nanu Channagi Matadtini. Matadtini means I do speak well. So here Matadu is speak. Matadi means you speak. You want to ask somebody Matadi means you're asking somebody to speak. Matadri also is with respect, you are asking somebody to speak. Matadri or Matadi. Matadtini means I speak. Matadtira means do you speak. So you can observe the minor changes in the words and the meaning that changes completely. Matadtira means do you speak. Matadtare means they will speak. Matadtare, avaru matadtare, they will speak. So, matadu is speak. Matadi means you speak and you're saying with respect to somebody matadi or matadri, both are same. Matadthini is I speak. Matadtira is do you speak. Matadtare is they will speak. Avaru matadtare. You can observe people talking, Eno maga, hey dude, it means hey dude. Eno maga, Eno means what. Maga is a very friendly way of addressing some friend whom you know very well and maybe of your age or maybe younger to you. You can say Eno maga. And if you want to address somebody with respect, hello sir, you can say Enu Swami, Enu Swami. Or you can just say Endri. Enu Swami or just Endri will do when you want to address somebody elder to you or you want to address somebody with respect. Enu Swami or Endri. You happen to see somebody and then you want to express that you are very happy to see them. You can say Nimmannu Nodi Santosha Aitu. Nimmannu Nodi Santosha Aitu. Santosha is happy. Even kushi means happy. Here you're saying to somebody that looking very happy to see you here. You can say ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. You can also say ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. If somebody comes to your home, then you want to tell them ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಖುಷಿ also means happiness. Okay. And then ನಮಗೆ, here it is to us. ನನಗೆ means to me. So namage is to us plural, nanage is singular. Same way nimage is to you plural, ninage is to you singular. Nimage, ninage. Tumba is very much, swalpa is a little. Tumba, swalpa. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. If you are driving and then you happen to see your friend or a neighbor, you can say, ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You want to say, hey man, why are you here? Let me give you a drop. You will say, ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Why are you here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ means here. Why are you here? ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಬನ್ನಿ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ಡ್ರಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್. ಹೋಗು is go, so you can use ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ means I will go. Ba is to come, you can say ಬರ್ತೀನಿ is I will come. ನೋಡು is to see, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ is I will see. ಮಾತಾಡು is speaking or talking, and then ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ means I will talk. If you are offered a drop and then you want to say, no man, you carry on, I'm waiting for someone, you can say ಇಲ್ಲಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾರಿ means no man, ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, you carry on. ಯಾರಿಗೋ for someone, ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ means I'm waiting. ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ is waiting. ಹೋಗಿ is go, ಬನ್ನಿ is come. ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ is nothing but carry on. ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮಾತಾಡಿ is talk. ನೋಡಿ is see. ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನೋಡಿ. So you can say, no man, you carry on, I am waiting for someone. You can say that by saying ಇಲ್ಲಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. While initiating any conversation with any Kannadiga people, you can always say ಏನ್ರಿ and then you can ask something. For example, you meet somebody after a long time and then you want to ask, hey, where did you go? When did you come back? Then you can say, ಏನ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬನ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ಹೇ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಏನ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಸ್ ವೆನ್, ಯಾವಾಗ. ಹೇಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ, ಹೇಗೆ. ಏನು ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಏನು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. If somebody asking you this, where did you go and when did you come back, you can always answer, ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು means I went to native and just now I came back. You can say, ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದೆ. ಈಗ means just now. ಆಗಲೇ ಬಂದೆ, ಆಗಲೇ means some time back. ಆಗಲೇ ಬಂದೆ. Or you can say yesterday I came by saying ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಬಂದೆ means I came. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ means I came yesterday. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ means day before yesterday I came. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದೆ. Wishing somebody in Kannada is very easy. You have to say just Shubhashaya means wishes. For example, you want to say wish you happy new year, you can say ಹೊಸ ವರುಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಹೊಸ is new, ಹೊಸ. Varusha is year, Varusha. Shubhashaya means wishes. Example for Deepavali, you can say Deepavaliya Shubhashaya. In Kannada, Deepavali is the name of the festival, not Diwali. Diwali in Kannada means bankruptcy. So wishing Diwali is not really enjoyed by Kannadiga people. They like to be wished Happy Deepavali or Deepavali Shubhashaya. Similarly, for birthday, Huttu Habbada Shubhashaya. Huttu Habbada Shubhashaya. Huttu Habba means birthday, Shubhashaya means wishes. So for happy birthday, you can say Huttu Habbada Shubhashaya. In Kannada, when you want to wish somebody and ask them how are they, how are you, you can say ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನು ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. This way you can always initiate the conversation. You want to welcome them and ask them to take a seat. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ means take your seat. ಬನ್ನಿ means please come. Sir, ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You happen to see a school kid that you know and then you want to ask whether didn't you go to school. You can say ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ. Here school ಗೆ means ಗೆ means to. In Kannada ಗೆ means to. School ಗೆ, office ಗೆ, like that you will add ಗೆ there. ಗೆ. ಹೋಗು is to go. ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ means didn't you go. ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ. Or if somebody you want to ask ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ, won't you go to office. ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ means won't you go. ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ means didn't you go. ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ means won't you go to office. ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ or ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ is also both same. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ, ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ, won't you go to office. So the answer can be ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ. ಇವತ್ತು means today, raja means holiday. ಇವತ್ತು ರಜಾ. So ಇವತ್ತು is today, ನೆನ್ನೆ is yesterday, ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow. ಇವತ್ತು, ನೆನ್ನೆ, ನಾಳೆ. You go to somebody's house and you want to compliment something there. Your TV is very good. You can say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. You can say your fridge is also very good. So you can say ನಿಮ್ಮ fridge ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ means if you are having food at your friend's place, you can say ಊಟ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So here ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. You can also say ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದ್ರಿ. From where did you buy this? You can say ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದ್ರಿ. Or you can say ಹೇಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ. How did you get it? ಹೇಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ. You want to ask something, how did you get that? You can say ಹೇಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ. Or you want to say when did you get that? You can say ಯಾವಾಗ ತಂದ್ರಿ. When is ಯಾವಾಗ. ಯಾವಾಗ ತಂದ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದ್ರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ, or ಯಾವಾಗ ತಂದ್ರಿ. And you want to ask how much does it cost? You can just say ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. How much does it cost? ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು means how much. You want to say how it happened something, you can say ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು. How it happened. ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು. Why did it happen? You can say ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತು. Why did it happen? ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ means why. Why did it happen? You can say ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತು. When did it happen? Something happens and you want to say when did it happen, then you can say ಯಾವಾಗಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ is when. ಯಾವಾಗಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯಿತು. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು or ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು or ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತು or yavagaitu. Depending on the situation, you can use these questions. And typically you want to say somebody, let's meet again. You can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Let's meet again. You can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Or you want to say see you again. You can say ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೋಗಿ means please go, and ಬನ್ನಿ means please come back again. Combining that, you can very sweet and nicely you can say ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. It's very easy to learn Kannada alphabets and characters and the numbers, and you can also learn how easy to pronounce them with some example words. Check out our other videos of Kannada Magic. It's also very easy to learn what are the Kannada vowels and consonants and script using these videos. Here is a Kannada question of the day. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box below in the video. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ? Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. Thanks for all your support.